In Japan, on New Year's Eve, there's a lovely tradition. Before the clock strikes midnight, families gather at their favorite noodle shop for a warm bowl of noodles. It's a time to reflect on the year gone by and welcome the new one with hope. On one such evening, Mr. and Mrs. Kitahashi's noodle shop was about to close. Just as they were getting ready for their own family celebration, the little bell on the door jingled. In walked a weary-looking woman with her two young sons. She looked around shyly and asked, "Excuse me, could we possibly have just one bowl of noodles?" The owners were surprised, but their hearts were kind. Mr. Kitahashi nodded and quietly told his wife to make an extra large portion. The three of them huddled around the single bowl, sharing it eagerly, each bite a small moment of joy. The younger boy looked up at his mother and asked, "Mom, can we eat like this again next year?" His mother smiled, a little sadly, but with love. "We'll do our best," she promised. After finishing, they thanked the owners profusely and disappeared into the cold night. A year later, at almost the exact same time, the family returned. They looked thinner, more tired, but their eyes still held a quiet warmth. Once again, the mother asked for a single bowl of noodles. This time, the shopkeeper couldn't bear it. He insisted on bringing them 3 full steaming bowls. When the mother tried to pay for all 3, he gently shook his head. "Your family's visit gives our shop meaning," he said. "It inspires us all to keep going." The next New Year's Eve, the shopkeeper and his wife saved that special table, hoping the family would return. But they didn't. Year after year, the table remained empty. It became an unspoken tradition in the shop. Regulars knew not to sit there on New Year's Eve, leaving it as a symbol of hope. Many years passed. One New Year's Eve, just after 9 o'clock, the bell rang. A graceful woman and 2 handsome young men walked in. They headed straight for the reserved table. The owner, now older, gently explained, "I'm so sorry, this table is reserved." The woman smiled warmly and replied, "Then we'll sit right next to it. Please bring us 1 bowl of noodles." The entire shop fell silent. Everyone turned to stare. Could it be them? The woman bowed deeply. "Yes, it's us," she said, her voice filled with emotion. "My husband, their father, passed away in an accident years ago, leaving us with a mountain of debt. We had nothing. That 1 bowl of noodles on New Year's Eve was our only comfort, our only reason to hope. Your kindness gave us the strength to never give up. Today our lives are finally stable and my sons have grown up well. We came back to say thank you." Tears welled up in everyone's eyes. The owners, the customers, they all gathered around the family, bowing to one another. It was a silent celebration, a beautiful testament to how a small act of kindness can warm a heart for a lifetime. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.